Good evening, guys. I'll be showing you on how to design your logo, whether it's a company logo using Canva. All you need to do is to come to canva.com and come to the right corner of your Canva, whether it's a Canva Pro or basic Canva. Click on design, then you come here on the search bar. You can just go type in search for his logo. So shoes, you come here, allow it to load. It has a dimension that's already been preset. Now after loaded that, you come here and click on logo. Now it will show you different types of logo. Different types of logo. We have business logo, company logo, circular logo, circle logo. Depending on what you want, you can search before you make your choice. You understand? So in order not to bore you with or make this video too lengthy, I'll decide to go for something not too difficult, something just relatively okay. And let me go for any of these. Let me go for company logo. From the options given, let me choose anyone, whether circle or rectangle. Take one of square. Let me take this one for instance. Let me use my company name, Venutech Services. As you can see, our logo is ready. All we need to do is to share and export. Scroll down. Having concluded your design, you just come here, click on download. Now it will now ask you the format, file type. You scroll down, put your cursor here and pick JPEG. As you can see, now you can download. It comes right inside your system, telling me an error occurred. You see, as you can see, it has downloaded into your system, and this automatically becomes your logo. You can try as many options as possible till you see the one that best fits your needs. Watch out for my next video.